Vivo is preparing the new Y300 Pro Plus, the flagship of the Y300 series. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Vivo Y300 Pro is almost ready to make its way into the global and local markets with a bunch of mind-blowing specifications and features. You will get 8 and 12 GB of RAM and 128, 256 and 512 GB UFC 2.2 internal memory. The massive and gigantic AMOLED touchscreen display and can easily support the sharp resolution of 1080 by 2392 pixels with 6.77 inches screen size, along with some other features such as a smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz, 5000 nits of peak brightness, and being always on display. The new Vivo Y300 Pro Plus gets power from the one of the fastest chipset. That will be Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 4nm chipset with the addition of a 2.5 GHz octa-core CPU and to deliver the insane performance and GPU of Adreno 730. Moving on the cameras, you will find a dual camera setup of 50 megapixel wide and 2 megapixel depth sensors and a 32 megapixel front sensor. It also offers some other features such as night mode, portrait, micro movie. There will be an under-display optical fingerprint reader. Under the panel, the Vivo Y300 Pro Plus has a 7300 battery that could easily last up to the entire day by charging it once. Smartphone will run on Android 15 operating system. That's all for now and thanks for watching.